Hi y'all. It is Monday, May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. It is not looking pretty today. It hasn't looked pretty for the last few days. There's no news today. There's news tomorrow at 9, so I'm not going to worry about that really. All the other news is before market opens, determined to get back into a better shape. So, and I'm not kidding about this. If you are a motivational person, I need some motivated people in my life. So if you feel like you motivate people pretty well, and you know, you're looking for some good friends, just hit me up in my inbox, you know, because I need some friends that are on this path to doing better for their health and their wellness, because I want to be with you. I need help. Let's just go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, this is exactly what I've been anticipating. I thought it might happen back here, but it pulled up a little bit higher, gave the snapback, and has been pushing down. Now, it has a pretty good chance to pull back a little bit more before that push down really happens. Now, look what happened with these MACDs. They pulled right back to that area that has just been holding. Seeing the roll here. Like this little bit of a lead higher. I'm pulling up one tick. There we go. Now we're coming up to that break even. Yeah. Okay. Left the house for a little bit. Did some things. Got my wheatgrass and my beet juice. Ready for that. And I got my coffee, which I'm not going to drink until after my wheatgrass is done. But it's 9:55. No time like the present, right? Okay. I can't keep doing this to myself. This is almost 2 hours. I'm done. Oh, my Lord. This is ridiculous. That was the best way I can put this. Is it was like watching two wet noodles in a silly string fight. I was ridiculous. Yeah. Nope. I should have put it away 2 hours ago. I mean, it's 12:30. I should have put it away after my 2 points, and I stepped away. I've been on the phone with my accountant. I've had my father walk in several times. He started watching a movie downstairs that sounded like it was World War III going on over there. I'm having a lot of struggle in my brain staying focused. I'm going to be making some changes to the website over the next few weeks. We're going to kind of pizzazz it up. I would love to hear your feedback on it. You profit trader, just trucking along like always, y'all. The anxiety is real. I've been waiting for that short all day. When it went, I just couldn't bring myself to take it. So, you know what we're going to do? Wrap it up. This is an hour and 48-minute video. And I started like at 9, so I took like an hour in between. I left the house. Just looking at this was so not what I trade. This is my trading nightmare. So I have to be proud because I did listen to myself in that manner where I was very cautious about what I even allowed myself to attempt to take. So I'm just going to have to take it. It is for what it is today. It's 2 points. It's better than a kick in the teeth. Okay. You know, the one thing I didn't do, we didn't talk about We didn't talk about my one trade here, so let me do that real quick before we shut this down. Wow. Let's just hit generate on that puppy. Oh my lord, 2 whole points for today. I'm not even writing it on there. 2 points, 1 trade. That's all she wrote, y'all. That is all she wrote. So we're gonna wrap that up. My friends, hope everybody has a wonderful Monday. May the 4th be with you. And as always, guys, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.